What up, YouTube? Go phone back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. I found a grandfather of a deal on vegetable starts for the fall. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, one I end up getting is I think this 50 count Bravo cabbage. I think that's 50 count Georgia collards. And I think it's 25 count green magic broccoli. Yeah, I think it was a good deal. Now I like planting from seed. Yeah, I think everybody knows this. But sometimes you got to do the math. For the 50 count of vegetables I got, that turns out to be 16 cents per plant. That's cheaper than seed, y'all. The broccoli, 25 count, that turned out to be 32 cents per plant. Only reason I even went in there to my local feed and seed because I was looking for seeds. I had horrible germination on my fall plants. I said, let me go get some newer seeds. Some of those seeds are 4 years old, so the germination rate was really low. And I came up on this grandfather deal. Now, seeds are cheap, but where can you find seeds that cheap? That cheap, y'all. So we're gonna plant these in the ground. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna prepare the beds, and let's get the video started. Yeah, one more thing I'm kind of excited about. I got these new labels from Amazon. They're super tall, so they go in far. They metal, and they come with these little white tags. Fill out the white tag, then they got a clear plastic that goes across it. I'll probably link it in the video below. I think they're kind of cool, y'all. Those small plastic plant labels just ain't doing it for me no more. So I upgraded, y'all. I think I got a pack of 25 for $15. All right, enough of that. And these would look like. And these were grown locally, close to where I live at. Just a little plug set up. I'm not gonna plant them deep. I was thinking about planting them deep, but I'm gonna plant them right up to here. And then let the rest grow up. Now, I got my bed ready. I got my label all the way in the back. I'm just gonna kind of set them up where I want them. And if I have more space, then I'm gonna space them out more. And I know y'all ain't used to me buying starts, but a deal is a deal, and on the weekend it's still a deal. I don't run from a deal, y'all. So we got the sides. I'm gonna offset them in the middle. Get a weed out. Offset it in the middle. I'm going on this side. And do the same thing. Plant them right across from each other. And that's that. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. I'm sorry, I don't count well, y'all. So let's see, can we squeeze them a little closer? And this bed is already full of alfalfa pellets. And most of this soil is compost. So I'm not adding any more compost. But I got a couple more things I'm gonna do at the end. It's gonna be darn near diabolical, you hear me? Put it here, Put it here, put it there, put it here. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna put these somewhere else, y'all. But I don't waste them. So I'm just gonna plant with my hand. I can't find my trowel, but I'm not going that deep. And it is an overcast day. It's been raining off and on most of the day. Best time to plant. So we're gonna see what they can do. And y'all let me know in the comments, how are they selling their starts? This was from my local feed and seed. Of course, I'm sure that big box store ain't got this kind of sale. But let me know what kind of sales y'all been seeing for fall start. And the only reason I'm doing this because my other starts didn't start. So you do what you gotta do to get the groceries you want. And the biggest thing with these starts is transplant shock. If we can avoid transplant shock by planting on an overcast day or even on a rainy day, that helps a lot. But just putting these fall starts out and it's 100 degrees outside, it's not a good idea. So we banking on the weather being right. These stars looking somewhat healthy. And the green thumb that broke farmer possessed to keep all this right. I know some people still judge me about these stars. But if you can find stars for 16 cents a piece, you'll be a fool not to. And then these Baker Creek seeds, that's $150,000. All right, we got everything in. Let's move on to the next step, baby. Now I'm gonna mulch these in with wood chips real good. And for your fall vegetables, it's a dual purpose. It's being hot. You need something to insulate those roots, especially on transplants. You need to keep it moist. So we put down the mulch. Wintertime, fall time, it's cold. Those roots don't need to freeze. Mulch is perfect for that. And if y'all know me, my favorite mulch is cypress mulch. I'm not telling you it's the best mulch, but it's the best mulch for me and my situation. Your situation might be different. Don't let nobody tell you it's one way to do what you want to do. You can do however you want in your garden. Just what I'm doing. All right, I'm finished mulching that in and I'm get back with y'all. Y'all ain't gotta watch everything. All right, got everything planted in. Got it mulched in. If y'all don't want to live in this, man, y'all commit suicide. I got it perfect for y'all. All y'all gotta do is grow. That's it. I'm gonna throw a little fertilizer. Well, I've already fertilized the bed. All y'all gotta do is grow. Now the other ones, I put in this little raised bed over here. Same thing. Live or die. I don't know what else to tell you. All right, let's put these in. All of them look about the same. Same root structure. Same leaf pattern. Everything the same. But this is Bravo cabbage. I don't know if I ever had grew Bravo cabbage before. You know, a lot of cabbage have 2 or 3 names, just like a lot of vegetables we buy. So maybe it's something else. Mostly I grow Wakefield cabbage and flat Dutch cabbage. But I think my seeds are a little long in the tooth. So we're gonna see what these starts do. You know what I mean? You supposed to say yeah. Okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So go get all this in. Nice soft soil. I was looking for the trial, but turns out I don't need it in this soft soil. Mostly compost soil. But it's something else I'm gonna do to improve my odds. That's chives over there. I don't want to mess with those chives. So we'll come around here. A lot of peach holes. Get all the peaches out of here. Plant is here. And even after a good rain, it's only moist on the top. Got my chives over there. I don't want to mess with my chives. But what I am going to do is plant some bush beans. Thinking is, fall crops want a lot of nitrogen. Beans provide what? Nitrogen. So they'll grow for, I don't know, a month. The frost's gonna kill them. Put all that nitrogen back in the soil. That's my thought. That's my plan. I think it's a great thought and a great plan, y'all. It's all on how you want to do business. I say it all the time. This is what I think is a good idea. Keep me from having to constantly fertilize, feed the soil, not the plant. By putting nitrogen in the soil, the plant good. So that's what we're gonna do. Feed the soil and not the plant. Oh yeah. Somebody put an amen down in the comments. I'll put Ryan past the collection plate. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna put them all over. Anywhere I got a spot, I don't care if they grow on top of each other. I'm not really worried about the harvesting the pea. I just want the nitrogen. I'm gonna go back and mulch, and we're gonna be ready for the world, baby. All right, I got everything in. That's cassava, that was already there. But it's the Bravo cabbage, and I experimented a little bit. I didn't put mulch on top of these. I want to see will they grow faster without the mulch or without the mulch. Either way, as they grow in, I can mulch them afterwards. But that's more cassava. I didn't plant that. Got my collards in. Got them planted under this big, beautiful moringa tree. Got all my collards in. Those are Georgia collards. Anything else would be uncivilized. More Georgia collards. Y'all get ready for Thanksgiving dinner, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm gonna plant them all. When I say I planted these collards in the middle of everything, I don't care. I ain't throwing nothing away. I'm finna give some away. Then I was like, I'm a broke farmer. I can't afford to give nothing away. You know what I mean? Came over here in the big bed. Put some in the ground over here. Mulch these in really nice. So we're gonna see what happens. Yep, I even put some out here in the food forest. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty cabbage. Pretty cabbage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's almost eating time, y'all. The biggest part of vine starts is transplant shock. Now ideally, you want to plant them on an overcast day or anything that's under 75 degrees or in the rain. But either way, find a way to do it. Mulch it in, compost it in. As long as you put it in, you good.